Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how you can make use of just two plants, just two ingredients that will help you grow your hair firmer, longer and thicker. And that is what this channel is all about. On this channel I help you grow your hair longer, thicker and fuller. So do well to join the family if you're interested in growing your hair longer and healthy. So why don't you guys come with me as we go fetch out these two plants from the garden. So now I'm in the garden. I want to find out the two plants we are going to use for this recipe that will help you grow your hair healthy, help you detangle your hair. So please guys, I want you to pause the video and tell me what you think this plant is. What name do you think this plant, what's it called? So this is one of the plants we are using for our recipe, for our hair growth recipe. I'm cutting it now like so, and please do well to watch till the end of this video, because at the end of the video I'll be showing you how to make use of this recipe properly to leave your hair moisturized for days. So this is the second plant we are using. Of course I know you guys definitely will know the name of the second one. So we are good to go. I finished plugging my two plants from the garden and I'm here now to show you how to prepare this hair growth recipe. So pawpaw leaf is said to promote hair growth. It also prevents balding and thinning of the hair. And sometimes you can find pawpaw leaf in dandruff, anti-dandruff shampoos. It also contains alkaloid component like shea contains, and is very effective when removing dirt and oil from your scalp. And you know our scalp health is very important. We also have a hibiscus. Hibiscus is also called zobo here in Nigeria, and it has a whole lot of benefit for our hair. So hibiscus helps to prevent hair loss. It promotes hair growth. It also acts as a natural conditioner, and aside that, hibiscus controls scalp itchiness. Like I always tell people, when you're growing out your hair, you have to pay attention to the basis, and the most important thing is your scalp, because it is from your scalp your hair grows. If your scalp isn't healthy, definitely it will be very difficult for you to grow out your hair, not to talk of growing a healthy, fuller hair. So guys, please do well to try using these two amazing herbs, because they target your scalp issues. And aside that too, hibiscus also helps reduce dandruff, controls breakage, and then stops hair thinning. And there is one amazing thing that these two leaves or herbs actually do for our hair. So I'd like you guys to watch towards the end. I will be explaining that. But before I get to that tip, I want you also to just watch how I prepare this. So the first thing I did was, when I got back from the garden, I actually rinsed and washed my two plants thoroughly for this hair growth recipe. I washed them thoroughly. Please do well to wash it thoroughly so you don't put in more germs or sand on your hair, because you are trying to cure something and then. So I put it in my pot. You add water, clean water, and then you allow it to boil and simmer for like 30 thereabouts. So, and keep stirring, checking it out. I kept stirring it, so I really want the color to actually change properly, because if the color change actually determines the intensity of your recipe, how well it will actually work on your hair. So it's boiled now like so. Just keep checking it out so the water don't just get dried. So I allow it to cool down. So I've sieved it off now like so, and that's what I have in my bottle, in my spray bottle. So I'm going to be showing you all now how to use this recipe properly. So if you watched the first clip when I started this video, I was using it then as a detangler. So now this hibiscus and pawpaw leaf recipe, the first thing I did was actually to hydrate my hair with this recipe. So I actually sprayed everything, sprayed my hair from my scalp down to the tip of my hair strands. Pay attention to your scalp and also to all the strands of your hair down to the tip. So after hydrating my hair properly with our hibiscus and pawpaw leaf spray hair growth recipe, I went ahead now to apply my leave-in conditioner. You could actually do it two ways. It's either you add the leave-in conditioner first and then apply the aloe vera. I was supposed to apply the aloe vera first, but you can actually do it anyway. But I would advise you apply the aloe vera first before applying your leave-in conditioner. Aloe vera is a very good humectant that it helps your hair it attracts a lot of moisture to your hair strands, and aloe vera has a whole lot of benefits. So that's why I wanted you guys to watch how I use this. So make sure you use a humectant, and in my other video, please do well to follow me, subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing with you basic humectants that are very, very beneficial for your hair if you really want to have your hair moisturized for days. So after that, I went to apply my shea oil, and then I'm applying my butter right now. So if you want to know how I did this my carrot butter, I'm going to put a link up. Please do well to click the link and watch the video of how I made this butter. So how do you apply products on your hair strands? Please let me know in the comment section below. For me, like you can see, I use the clapping method. Everybody has different, so just tell me what method you use. So after applying everything, I'm gonna twist my hair back, leave it back in its protective style again. That's another thing too you need to learn. Always leave your hair in a protective style or low manipulative hairstyle, or will I say manipulation hairstyle? So that will help you to retain length. So the purpose here now is for us to retain length. Your hair grows, but what matters is, are you retaining the length your hair had grown? So that's one important thing. So guys, please do well to try out this pawpaw and hibiscus leaf recipe, and take note, we have hibiscus flower and hibiscus leaf. Here we use the hibiscus leaf. And then the tip I said I was going to give you guys is this: do you know that these two leaf or this recipe can help darken your hair strands? Yeah, if you're having issues with gray hair, you must try this recipe. I bet you. Use it for at least a month. Keep spraying it constantly, and then I'm gonna also show you another way you can also use this recipe to, in another method, another form, to darken your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you all. See you next time. Bye.